Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the V100 robot lawnmower designed for small lawns up to 1,600 square feet. It features HD vision navigation, smart obstacle detection, collision sensors, and adjustable cutting height. If you want a quiet, hands-free solution for maintaining your small yard, this one is perfect for you. Let me break down the specs. It covers up to 1,600 square feet on a single charge with automatic return to charging dock. HD Vision navigation uses cameras to map your lawn without perimeter wires. Smart obstacle detection identifies objects like trees, toys, and pets in real time. Collision sensors add extra protection for gentle bump avoidance. Cutting height adjusts to your preference. Low noise operation means quiet mowing any time of day. Perfect for small lawns up to 40 by 40 feet, the HD Vision navigation eliminates the need for boundary wires. Just set it in your yard and it learns the layout using visual mapping. It works reliably even in areas with weak GPS signals. Smart obstacle detection combined with collision sensors keeps your yard safe. It recognizes objects and navigates around them without damage to mower or obstacles. Pets and children can play safely while it works. Adjustable cutting height lets you choose your preferred grass length. Low noise operation means you can mow early morning or evening without disturbing neighbors. The compact size navigates tight spaces and flower beds easily. Automatic return to dock ensures it always charges when battery runs low. Schedule mowing times through the app and forget about lawn maintenance. If you want an affordable smart robot mower for your small yard, the V100 delivers. Link to buy on Amazon is in the description. Thanks for watching.